Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you want an easy, affordable way to upgrade your bathroom comfort and hygiene, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best bidet attachments, chosen for their cleaning effectiveness, ease of installation, water pressure control, and durability. All the product links and latest prices are in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. LUXE Bidet NEO. Looking for refreshing cleanliness and genuine comfort in your bathroom routine? The LUXE Bidet NEO delivers exactly that combination. Its dual wash modes make it versatile for every household member. Stronger rear spray for effective cleansing, and softer feminine wash positioned toward front for gentle care. This thoughtful design proves especially useful during monthly cycles or for expecting mothers needing more delicate approaches. Hygiene receives clear priority thanks to guard gates shielding nozzles when not in use. After each wash, nozzles retract automatically behind protective gates, keeping them clean until next use. The build quality genuinely stands out with high-pressure valves featuring metal ceramic cores and steel hoses exceeding typical plastic components. This gives the bidet more durable, premium feel and sleek appearance, elevating bathroom aesthetics noticeably. Installation remains beginner-friendly, since all necessary tools and parts come included, allowing most people completing setup within minutes easily. The LUXE Bidet NEO proves excellent for those wanting dependable, stylish, and hygienic upgrades without electronic system complexity or complications. Number 2. Clear Rear. Want appealing simplicity combined with solid performance and genuine affordability? The Clear Rear bidet attachment offers exactly that mix. Its slim, low-profile design fits neatly beneath most standard toilet seats, making it easy upgrades for homeowners, renters, and travelers outfitting RV or camper bathrooms conveniently. Installation takes less than 15 minutes, requiring no electricity, making it accessible for beginners completely. The dual nozzle system provides both rear and feminine cleansing modes, each supported by retractable, self-cleaning nozzles, helping maintain good hygiene with minimal upkeep throughout use. This makes it suitable for users with sensitive skin or those seeking more hygienic alternatives to standard paper. The adjustable water pressure dial lets you move from gentle rinse to stronger spray with simple twists. This customization makes it comfortable for kids, adults, and seniors alike, ensuring each person achieves preferred cleanliness levels. Number 3. LUXE Bidet 185 Plus. Need unique design features, setting attachments apart from traditional options? The LUXE Bidet 185 Plus introduces innovative flipping design, making routine toilet cleaning much easier. With ability lifting and moving units out of way, hard-to-reach areas become more accessible, helping maintain overall bathroom hygiene effectively. Its 360 degrees self-cleaning mode ensures both nozzles and guard gates receive thorough rinsing, reducing buildup and keeping systems fresh for every use. The patented U-shaped adjustment plates allow rapid installation without removing toilet seats entirely. Major convenience for any household needing quick setup. Even after installation, stainless steel hinges allow fine adjustments for optimal fits. The bidet includes dual nozzles for both rear and feminine wash functions, offering gentle cleansing ideal for expecting mothers or anyone needing softer spray options completely. Number 4. SAMODRA Frontal. Looking for durability and practicality in straightforward packages? The SAMODRA Frontal bidet attachment delivers exactly that combination effectively. Built with high-quality ABS construction, metal ceramic core valves, and brass T-adapters, offering genuine, lasting quality throughout extended use. Braided steel hoses add reliability compared to typical plastic connections, giving setups long-lasting feel. With dual spray nozzles, it offers convenient front wash for women and rear wash suitable for everyone, making it versatile for family use. SAMODRA enhances traditional knob systems by introducing easy-to-press button designs, allowing users switching between wash modes quickly and easily. Its self-cleaning feature ensures nozzles remain sanitary, while telescopic designs retract behind movable guard gates for added protection consistently. Water pressure control remains smooth and user-friendly, enabling fine-tuning spray strength for comfort. Number 5. Vestomeli Nozzle. Want custom comfort and hygiene with adjustable features suiting wide preference ranges? The Vestomeli Nozzle bidet attachment focuses exactly on that. Its standout feature is improved nozzle angle adjustment mechanism, allowing users fine-tuning cleaning angles for more precise coverage. This makes cleansing experiences feel more personalized and genuinely effective throughout daily use. The dual nozzle system supports both rear wash and gentle pre-cleaning modes tailored for female hygiene needs, providing versatility for households with multiple users. The circular rotary knob gives precise control over water pressure, making it easy for both children and seniors finding spray strengths feeling comfortable. The unit includes splash protection doors shielding nozzles when not in use effectively. After each wash, nozzles retract behind protective covers, maintaining cleanliness and reducing bacteria exposure. The self-cleaning function further ensures reliable hygiene by thoroughly rinsing nozzles before and after use consistently. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best bidet attachments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on home essentials and everyday gadgets. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.